Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Ralph Lauren promo codes in 2025. So I'm going to give you two methods that would be very helpful for you. Now in the first method, you will just have to simply come on the official website of ralphlauren.com, and over here you just have to simply take a look at the sales page. So you need to click on sale in the top, and here you will see all of the items that are currently on sale, where you can even get up to 40% off. So you can just filter it out with the men's fashion, women's fashion, and kids wear, and then you can just try to find out your favorite item at discounted price. Now in the second method, you can just simply come to this website, that is couponfollow.com, where you can find 30% off, 50% off coupon codes for Ralph Lauren. Now over here you need to simply click on see coupon code, and then it will give you a coupon code. Now you need to copy it from here, and then you just have to simply use this coupon code at the time of checkout. So you need to come over here and make sure that you create your account and at Ralph Lauren. So the items that are currently at discount price, you just have to simply add them in the cart, and at the time of checkout you can try to use the coupon code that you have copied from this website, and this way you can find promo codes for Ralph Lauren in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.